Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Starbucks gift card onto your Uber Eats account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ubereats.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Uber Eats. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials or use your social accounts and you will be logged into your account, from which you can directly start placing an order. Now if you wish to add your Starbucks gift card, then click on the menu icon at the top left corner and then click on Wallet. You will now find the Add Payment Method option. Go ahead and click on it and now you will find the gift card menu. Click on gift card and you can simply enter your Starbucks gift card code within the enter your code box. After entering your code, click on the apply button and now your Starbucks gift card will be applied onto your Uber Eats wallet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your Starbucks gift card onto your Uber Eats. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.